Let's start by creating the new project in Android Studio. Select Empty Views Activity, click Next, and name the application as Lucky Number. Select Java, finish. Remember, I am teaching you how to solve problems, how to code your own apps later on. So I want from you to follow me step by step as I think. First step is designing layout. So we go to the activity_main, go to split mode, and here I'll edit this text view. I'll change this text to welcome to Lucky Number. I'll add size 32 SP, which is good. Now I need to add the edit text. So edit text, match parent, wrap content. The ID would be edit text, and I'll add a hint for this edit text, please. I'll drag this edit text and I'll infer its constraint, or I can simply delete the constraints and add the constraint to this and then moving it far from the text view. Then I need to create a button that allows the user to move to the second activity. I'll give it a width as wrap content, ID, btn, and text equal to wish me a luck. Now I'll add some constraints to this button. I can drag and drop it, and I need one horizontal and one vertical constraint for every widget or every view in the constraint layout. Then I need to copy these images to the drawable folder, paste. I have this dice, the background number 2 and background number 1. For the main activity, I'll add the attribute background, drawable, background number 1. And I'll change the text view color to white. Also, the edit text, I'll add the attribute hint color white and color white. Then I'll move down. I'll add an image view 200 dp with height 140 dp, ID equal image view, and src dice. I'll move this image view down and I'll infer its constraints. You can see the dice is inferred here. To make it more professional, I'll add some margins to the left and right of this edit text. Let's create another activity. Activity, empty views activity, and I'll name it as second activity.